Hallo Freunde, welcome to my channel Learn German My Way. Ich heiße Aparna and I'm here to tell you about Umlaut. We have already spoken about the alphabets. Now let's see how can we understand umlauts better. Now let's see what do we have more for umlaut. So umlaut, as we have discussed, these are the vowels along with the two dots. The vowels like a, o and u. That means a, o and u. So the two dots over a or a gives the sound as a, like the way you would pronounce the word Annie. Annie. The same way, the emphasis has to come on a, umlaut, a. Now, the second umlaut is o umlaut, and that gives a sound as ew, ew. The third umlaut is u umlaut, and that gives a sound as ew, ew. In o umlaut, ew, the lip is a bit wider, but in u umlaut, the lips are very narrow. Ew, ew. And now we will just see a couple of words as an example of these umlauts so that you could understand the sound better. Beispiele. Beispiele means, for example, a umlaut, Äpfel, Äpfel. Also, die Jetzt,en, die Jetzt,en. Now we'll switch on to umlaut, das Öl, das Öl. Also the word öffnen, öffnen. Now let's see examples of u umlaut. The one example which you can also find out in my first video is in numbers. Fünf, fünf. The second example is übnen, übnen. And also the letter etc, etc. The one which looks like B but is not B and the end is not closed. It's known as etc. So etc is pronounced as double S. Beispiele. Heißen, heißen. Heißen has this etc letter. Another example comes from the numbers only. 13, 13. The more and more you read out German language, the more and more you listen to it, you would be able to learn it much faster. All you need to do is pay attention to the pronunciation. For more and more learning and informations, do not forget to tune into my channel, Learn German My Way. Bis bald. Tschüss. Oh, did you notice the umlaut there? Tschüss.